Welcome back as we dive into the impressive features of the Home Hero 16-piece kitchen knife set. Each blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel with a titanium non-stick coating for maximum durability. This comprehensive collection includes a built-in sharpener and heavy-duty scissors for all your kitchen needs. You will love the precision of the chef knife and Santoku blade when preparing your favorite meals. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip and total control during even the most difficult cutting tasks. These professional tools resist rust and stains while providing the sharpest edges for every single slice you make. It is an essential gift for home cooks who want to master their skills with high-quality cutlery. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.